Good morning, all of you. Myself, Rishika Asani. Today I am taking lecture on fluid mechanics. In previous lecture, we have studied continuity equation in 2D. We know that continuity equation is the principle of conservation of mass, in which quantity of mass per second, quantity of mass flowing through any section will be constant. We know that discharge Q equal to density, area into velocity. Rho a v1, rho a v1 v1 equal to rho 2 a2 v2. But if we are considering the 3D equation, we should derive the equation uh, for 3D dimensional continuity equation. For 3 dimensional continuity equation, this equation is used. This equation will be used if we want to check that fluid flow will flow or not. If fluid will flow or not, want to check, then if you use this equation, can easily find out this fluid will flow or not. Okay. Okay. Today I'm saying continuity equation in 3 dimensional. 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 Continuity. Consider a fluid element. Consider a fluid element length dx, dy, and dz in x, y, z direction. X, Y, and Z directions. It is clear. Consider a fluid element length dx divided dz in x, y, and z direction. Let also assume let also assume u, v, and w are inlet component, inlet velocity component are inlet velocity component in x, y, and z directions. Is clear? Okay, this is consider the fluid element length dx dy and dz in x, y, and z direction. Let also assume that u, v, and w are inlet velocity component in x, y, and z direction. Okay, I'm okay. and W. Okay, you are seeing the section A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, a rectangular fluid element which have a dimension dx, dx, dy and dz, and also fluid velocity u, v and w in x, y, z direction respectively. Okay. X, Y, Z direction respectively. Mass of fluid entering the phase A, B, C, D. Mass of the fluid, mass of the fluid entering the phase A, B, C, D per second. Mass of the fluid entering the phase A, B, C, D per second. देखिए मास ऑफ द फ्लूइड क्या होगा, ABCD डेंसिटी इनटू एरिया इनटू वेलोसिटी. ओके, एरिया से कितना हो जाएगा, देखिए डेंसिटी कितना है, डेंसिटी रो, एरिया कितना हो जाएगा, एरिया लेंथ, दिस इज द लेंथ एंड दिस इज द विड्थ, कितना हो जाएगा ये dy इंटू dz, dy इंटू dz इंटू वेलोसिटी u. Is clear? dy into dz velocity u. Then mass of fluid, first point, second is, then mass of fluid, mass of fluid leaving the phase EFGH per second. Mass of the fluid leaving the phase EFGH per second. Is clear? देखिए कैसे निकालेंगे इसको, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म. Here, mass of fluid contained in this section, rate of increase of mass, with respect to dx length. कितना हो जाएगा ये, d upon dx u dy dz dx. It is clear? ओके, कितना हो जाएगा चेक करिए इसको. इक्वल टू मास ऑफ लीविंग द फेस, फर्स्ट पॉइंट ये कितना हो जाएगा, ये रो dy dz into u plus del upon del x, rate of increase of mass rho dy dz u dx. Question number 2. Question number 1 is clear. Mass leaving the phase EFGH. Okay, so gain of mass in x direction. So gain of mass in x direction. Gain of mass in x direction इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा, मास एंटरिंग द फेस, mass entering the face ABCD minus mass leaving the face EFGH. It is clear? Mass entering the face ABCD minus mass leaving the face EFGH. ओके, देखिए यहां से कितना हो जाएगा, इक्वल टू गेन ऑफ मास इन एक्स डायरेक्शन कितना होगा, सॉल्व करिए इसको, रो यू डी वाई डी जेड माइनस रो यू डी वाई डी जेड माइनस डेल अपॉन डेल एक्स यू डी वाई डी जेड डी एक्स. Is clear? This term and this term is cancelled out. So remaining part is del upon del x u dy dz dx. Question number 3. Question number 3. It is clear? Visible? Okay. Similarly, the net gain in y direction. Similarly, the net gain. Similarly, the net gain in y direction क्या हो जाएगा, यहाँ देखिए माइनस डेल अपॉन डेल वाई वी डी एक्स डी वाई डी जेड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. क्लियर है? यहाँ पे क्या रहेगा, रो यू, यहाँ पे कितना रहेगा, रो यू, यहाँ पे कितना रहेगा, रो बी. इसलिए सिमिलरली जेड डायरेक्शन, जेड डायरेक्शन की बात किया कितना हो जाएगा, डेल अपॉन डेल रो डब्ल्यू डी एक्स डी वाई डी जेड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Question number 5. This clear? Then net gain of mass. Net gain of mass. Net gain of mass equal to minus rho plus dx dy dz. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज क्लियर। देखिए नेट गेन ऑफ मास कितना है, ब्रैकेट में डेल अपॉन डेल एक्स रो यू प्लस डेल अपॉन डेल वाई रो वी प्लस डेल अपॉन डेल जेड रो डब्ल्यू डी एक्स डी वाई एंड डी जेड। ओके, तो ये नेट गेन ऑफ मास विल बी इक्वल टू किसके बराबर होगा, नेट गेन ऑफ मास विल बी इक्वल टू mass per second, mass per second stored in this volume, mass per second stored in this volume. If I am taking one example, if I have 1 liter bottle, if I have dimension of 1 liter bottle, then how much maximum stored in liquid in this bottle, maximum stored, maximum will only 1 liter, maximum only 1 liter. So, if dimension of this volume is, if this fluid element is dx divided dz, then how much mass will contain maximum? Okay, density into volume into time. Okay, जितना टाइम लगेगा उसको स्टोर होने में उतना ही तो स्टॉक इसको स्टोर कर सकते हैं, तो आप स्टोर उसको नहीं कर सकते हैं। क्लियर है? ओके, लिखिए देन द मास is neither created nor destroyed in the fluid element, then the mass neither created nor destroyed then the mass neither created nor destroyed in the fluid element so the net increase of mass per unit time in the fluid element, then so net increase of mass per second net increase of mass per unit time in the fluid element, mass per unit time in the fluid element must be equal to the rate of increase of mass of fluid, the rate of increase of mass of fluid, the rate of increase of mass of fluid, the rate of increase of mass of fluid in the element. That is clear? So read carefully. Since the mass is neither created nor destroyed in the fluid element, the net increase of mass per unit time in the fluid element must be equal to the rate of increase of mass of fluid in the element. But mass of fluid in the element is rho dx dy dz and rate of increase with time, but mass of fluid fluid in the element equal to rho dx dy dz, and rate of increase of mass, rate of increase of mass, rate of increase of mass with respect to time. With respect to time कितना हो जाएगा d rho upon dt, d rho upon dt dx dy dz, equation number 7. This rate of increase of mass will be equal to net gain of mass in the fluid element. Okay, according to above theory, this will equal to this will equal to net gain of mass in fluid element, net gain of mass in fluid element. Okay, the equation number 6 equal to equation number 7. Okay, according to this, minus del x rho u plus del upon rho v plus del upon rho w dx dy dz equal to del rho upon del d dx dy dz. So this quantity will cancel out. Okay, this quantity will cancel out. Solve this equation. Then del rho upon del d plus del rho u upon del x plus del rho v upon del y plus del rho w upon del z equal to 0. Okay. Equation is continuity equation is Cauchy coordinate in this more general form. This equation is applicable to this equation. This is the continuity equation is Cartesian form. This equation is applicable to, first one is study and unstudy, second is uniform and non-uniform flow, uniform and non-uniform flow, and third is compressible and incompressible flow. compressible and incompressible flow. It's clear? It is clear? Okay, this equation is applicable for steady and unsteady flow, uniform and and for non-uniform flow, compressible and incompressible flow. For steady flow, del rho upon del T equal to 0. If the fluid is incompressible, then rho equal to constant. For steady flow, note कर लीजिए, for steady flow, del rho upon del T equal to 0. अगर कहीं वर्ड आता है फॉर स्टडी फ्लो के लिए del rho upon del T equal to 0 हो जाएगा. इट इज क्लियर. And for incompressible, rho equal to constant. So continuity equation for steady and compressible flow will be continuity equation in 3D. क्या लिखेंगे हम लोग? Continuity equation for steady and incompressible flow. For steady and incompressible flow. Continuity equation for steady and incompressible flow क्या हो जाएगा? del u upon del x plus del v upon del y plus del w upon del z equal to 0. This is equation for 3D. ये किसके लिए? 3D के लिए. 2D केस में क्या करते हैं? del u upon del x plus del v upon del y equal to 0. ये क्या हो जाएगा आपका? 2D equation. It is clear? Okay. Continuity equation 3 dimensional. Del u upon del x plus del v upon del y plus del w upon del equal to 0. Continuity equation for 3 dimensional 2 dimensional. Del u upon del x plus del v upon del y equal to 0. If I want to check flow will be fluid will be flow or not. Any flow, if you want to check fluid will be flow or not, then use the continuity equation. Put the value in u and v. If it comes value is 0, this means if they follow the continuity equation. If follow the continuity equation, they will also flow. It is clear? They will also flow. So this equation is very important to check the flow will confirm or not. क्लियर है? ओके, हमको फ्लो चेक करना है कि फ्लो हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है. इसके लिए हम लोग कंटिन्यूटी इक्वेशन का यूज करते हैं. तो नेक्स्ट टाइम हम लोग इस कंटिन्यूटी इक्वेशन पे न्यूमेरिकल्स देखेंगे. अगर आपको कोई भी दिक्कत होगा डेरिवेशन में तो क्लास में चलेगी, तो आप उसको देख सकते हैं. ठीक है? और इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम होगा तो आप मुझे बता दीजिएगा. ठीक है? चलिए मैं इसको ग्रुप कर देता हूँ. ओके, थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में इस पे न्यूमेरिकल देखेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच.